In this video, we will show you how to create and edit chart on iCloud spreadsheet. In the iCloud, we can easily create spreadsheet and edit them. How to do that? First, you need to log in into the iCloud using your Apple ID in here. Just log in using your email or Apple ID. Then type your password here. After your login on the iCloud, in here, you will see the spreadsheets. Just click the numbers or spreadsheet here and click continue. We can create new. To create chart on the spreadsheet, you can just click table and chart. Double click in here. Maybe you are confused how to edit the spreadsheet because not like in program like Google Spreadsheets or Microsoft Excel. This is not familiar for us if you are not used to using it. In here, to edit your chart title, you can double click on your chart and chart title can be changed here. Okay, and the questions now, this is many people ask for this, how we can edit the data series or the data from this chart. You can see this is just contain the two category, okay, with blue and green in here. If you try to edit your chart, okay, for example in here, category C, it will not work, okay, like I say, because the spreadsheet on iCloud is little different with the other programs like Google Spreadsheet or Microsoft Excel. To edit your data in here, you can just click on the category B or A between of them, okay. Then you can see if the category B, you can just right click and add column before. So you can add the data, okay, with your spreadsheet here between your two categories. It will work not on before or not on after. So between these two data. For example, this is became category B and you can select this category C. Okay. You can add the data like this. Maybe this is too much. Okay. I just set this to 15, for example. As you can see here, now you successfully edit the charts on iCloud number. And you can also change your chart like the style. On this table, you can also create the another style of the chart like pie chart here, as you can see. So you can easily manage and creating the chart using iCloud spreadsheet or iCloud number, and it's very easy. Okay, that's all tutorial how to create and edit the chart on iCloud spreadsheet or iCloud number. Hope this video helpful for you.